Most t-shirt designs look flat and unprofessional, but in this video, I'll show you a complete workflow from creating the design in CorelDRAW all the way to a realistic AI mockup, a clean ghost mannequin product image, and even a cinematic video. We're going step by step. We'll design the artwork in CorelDRAW, export it properly, then use AI to generate a mockup, enhance it, control the style, and finally create a professional product video presentation. Let's start inside CorelDRAW. I'll start with the base text, align the words but don't make it perfect, assign colors. Change the square to circle. Refine the text placement for better alignment and visual balance. Extend some edges. Draw a vertical line and duplicate it. Weld them and rotate it slightly. Duplicate it across parts of the text. Select both the shape and the text, then use trim. This creates striped cut effects inside letters. Do this selectively, not everywhere. Now I'll create a striped bar effect. Draw a rectangle. Duplicate it downward and reduce the size. Now blend them together. Place one set on the left, another one passing through the center, and another on the right. Align and weld with the text. These lines create movement and structure. Refine the letter forms slightly and adjust their placement. Now bring in the tagline. Draw a rectangle behind the text and fill with black. For t-shirt design, simplicity is key. Your design should be readable from a distance and strong enough to stand on its own. Once the design is ready, we prepare it for export. Make sure the background is transparent, and export it as a high-quality PNG. This is important because we want clean edges when applying it to the mockup. Now we move into AI. Use the link in the description to open Rewarx Studio. Then simply use the Mockup Generator. Upload your design. Just type t-shirt as a prompt. Let the AI create a base mockup automatically. This gives us a quick base to work with. Now we refine the result with a simple prompt. Type something like, place the design on a realistic t-shirt with natural fabric folds and studio lighting. This adds depth and makes the result look more believable. Now let's take this to the next level using Vibe Match. Instead of relying only on prompts, Vibe Match lets you control the entire mood and style of the design. I'll upload my mockup. Upload a reference image that has the exact look I want, colors, and overall atmosphere. Click Produce Lookalike Set. And just like that, the AI adapts the mockup to match this style. This is extremely powerful because you're no longer guessing, you're directing the visual outcome with precision. And just like that, the AI adapts the mockup to match this style. This gives you full creative control over the final look. Now let's take it one step further using the ghost mannequin effect. I'll upload my file. Change camera angle to 45 degree, and generate. This removes the model and keeps the natural shape of the t-shirt. It's widely used in e-commerce because it creates a clean, distraction-free product image. As you can see, the focus is now on the design and the garment itself. This is what separates basic mockups from professional product presentation. Now if you want to remove the bag, that's an easy fix. In the extra generation requirements, just enter, remove the bag, and regenerate. Done. Now if you want to take it beyond a clean product image, we can bring it back to life using Model Studio. This allows us to place the design on a realistic model and create a full lifestyle visual. Upload your image. To get better results, I'll use a visual reference. This helps control the scene. Analyze market and trend insight. Select the visual strategy. Now this will produce for assets. I will choose this one to turn it into a product video. Click Convert to Video. No prompt, just click Generate Video, and the AI will create a cinematic animation from your image. This is perfect for social media, ads, or showcasing your work. And finally, we can take this even further using Virtual Try-On. I'll upload my mock-up. Upload a target model image. Select model pose. Select background and lighting. Now start production. Instead of just showing the product, this allows you to see how the t-shirt looks when worn in a more interactive and realistic way. You can apply the design to different models, body types, or styles, and instantly visualize how it looks in real-life scenarios. This is extremely powerful for e-commerce and marketing because it helps customers connect with the product before even buying it. At this point, we're no longer just creating designs, we're creating a complete product experience. And that's the full workflow, from a simple t-shirt design to a complete AI-generated product presentation. If you want to learn more advanced workflows like this, write in comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more professional design content.